turbo your 370? Because we always get people asking. So this car made 600 on pump, made about 650 on like E60 or E50. So it's on fully 85 now, and we haven't dynoed it since then, but since the weather is a little cooler today, we're just gonna go drive it on the street. The last time we dynoed it, actually it was over 100 degrees outside, which is very visibly obvious to tell. But today it's cooled down a little bit, so we'll make a few test hits and show you guys kind of what it can do. It's got an NT05R on the back now. It does okay once you get some heat in it, traction wise, but you're gonna see my fumbling ass shifting and a decent amount of wheel spin, shit like that. So enjoy the show. One thing I really like about this turbo kit that we changed is the SOHO intercooler, because this is a common problem with every off-the-shelf turbo kit. The intercoolers, by and large, ain't shit. You really want a nice intercooler, especially if you live in a hot climate. I've been dealing with that with a lot of people's cars. You try to pull it through every gear, and the IATs go out of control. But the SOHO intercooler keeps everything in check. That's what I got on my Infiniti also, so very happy with it.